Good morning, children of class 3. Today we are going to read a lesson from our SS textbook, Social Studies. Let's read first chapter, chapter 1.1. The Earth, our home. As always, we will read out the new words first. New words. E-A-R-T-H, Earth. T-H-E-R-E-F-O-R-E, therefore. T-R-A-V-E-L, travel. B-E-L-I-E-V-E-D, believed. F-E-A-R-E-D, feared. M-A-G-E-L-L-A-N, Magellan. S-P-A-I-N, Spain. D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N, direction. P-R-O-V-E-D, proved. S-U-R-F-A-C-E, surface. R-O-C-K-S, rocks. V-A-L-L-E-Y-S, valleys. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S, mountains. P-L-A-I-N-S, plains. R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers. O-C-E-A-N-S, oceans. F-O-R-E-S-T-S, forests. D-E-S-E-R-T-S, deserts. R-E-M-A-I-N-I-N-G, remaining. H-O-R-I-Z-O-N, horizon. D-I-S-T-A-N-C-E, distance. A-T-M-O-S-P-H-E-R-E, atmosphere. P-R-E-S-S-U-R-E, pressure. P-R-O-T-E-C-T-I-O-N, protection. S-O-F-T-E-N-S, softens. U-P-W-A-R-D-S, upwards. P-A-R-T-I-C-L-E-S, particles. S-C-A-T-T-E-R, scatter. Let's start with the reading of the chapter now. The Earth, our home. Home is a place where we live. We live on the earth. Therefore, the earth is our home. It is a very big home. It is the home of all men and women. It is the home of all birds and animals. It is the home of all living things. Let's learn a little about this home. Shape and size of the earth. The earth is like a huge ball. To go around it once, we have to travel about 40,000 kilometers. A few hundred years ago, people believed that the earth was flat. They feared that if they went too far, they would reach the edge of the earth. Then they would fall off the edge and be lost forever. In 1519, a brave man of Portugal sailed around the world. His name was Magellan. He took some ships and sailors with him. He started from Spain and kept sailing in the same direction. After 3 years, his ships reached the same place from where they had started. Thus it was proved that the earth is round, not flat. The earth's surface. The surface of the earth is not the same everywhere. There are rocks, hills, valleys, mountains, plains, rivers, lakes, oceans, forests, deserts, and many other such landforms on it. The surface of the earth can be divided into two main parts, land and water. Only about 30% of the Earth's surface is land. The remaining 70% is covered with water. The horizon. If you look above your head, you'll see the sky curving down towards the earth. If you stand at a high place or on the shore of the sea, you'll see the sky meeting the earth at a far distance. But in fact, the earth and the sky never meet. They only appear to be meeting. The line at which the earth and the sky seem to meet is called the horizon. The atmosphere. Our earth is like a huge ball. It is surrounded by air on all sides. This surrounding air is called the earth's atmosphere. The earth's atmosphere applies pressure on our bodies. But we do not feel this pressure. There is air inside our body also. Thus, the outside pressure is balanced by the inside pressure of the air. The Earth's atmosphere gives us great protection. It protects us from the cold of outer space at night. It softens the glare of the sun by day. The sky. The Earth's atmosphere extends upwards for about 500 kilometers. To someone standing on the earth, it looks like a huge inverted bowl. This is what we call the sky. The sky looks blue. In fact, the sky has no color. There are particles of dust and water in the air. These particles scatter the sun's light in such a way that the sky looks blue. Points to remember. The earth is like a huge ball. It is the home of all living things. About 70% of the earth's surface is water. About 30% of the earth's surface is land. Magellan was the first man to sail around the earth. The line where the earth's surface and the sky seem to meet is called the horizon. The earth is surrounded by air, which is called the earth's atmosphere. This brings us to the end of chapter 1. Children, please read the lesson carefully. There will be an assessment by the end of this month. Bye-bye for now and happy reading.